Ding ding.
Welcome to Hongdae Street, kung saan maraming kabataan.
Guys, alam naman natin na ang Korea is famous pagdating sa skincare and aesthetics. So, today, ilalaban na natin ang science project. Kasi magpapagawa tayo ng mukha dito sa Hongdae, but we're gonna have our lunch first and I'll give you an update later. We're having our lunch here. What's the name of the restaurant?
I don't know the name of the restaurant.
We don't know the name. The food is Dak Galbi. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Hello, Dak.
Professional.
Kukuha muna tayo ng mga kung anik-anik here. Ayan.
Ito masarap ito, tapos ito yung sauce.
Halo-halo muna tayo.
Kuya, gusto niyo ng ano? Kimchi?
Ay, nahalo ba ito?
Pero maya-maya.
Ah, okay.
Kasi siya magluluto. Okay, mag-pogi.
May milky naman.
Kasama yun sa vlog. Yung about sa pagkain. Dapat tayo. Okay.
What are you having?
Cafe oat latte. Let me try. Ang pait. I think I need to mix it well.
Okay, ikaw. Ano sa'yo?
This one is brown. Oh my god, hindi ko brown sugar bubble with cream.
It's too sweet.
Ikaw, kuya. What are you having?
She's a copycat.
Same.
She's having.
What about you?
I'm having brown sugar coffee latte. Coffee latte.
Kasi yun na talaga dyan.
Ang pait nga.
Siguro pag marami ng pera. Gusto ko talaga business.
Na-pandemic kasi din.
Sarap. Sarap siya. So, nandito na tayo sa clinic.
Stairs lang. Tapos makikita mo na agad yung pangalan ng clinic nila.
Your clinic.
Papakita nyo lang yung papel.
6th floor? 6th floor. So first, we're gonna fill this out, the form. I'm done cleansing my face, and now we're gonna proceed to room number 9 for consultation. So we're gonna have our skin analysis.
Okay, could you please put your chin upright, please? You can just put your chin. Okay, so
Ring.
37.
37 best.
So it shows that you have the oily skin. Yes, it's too oily. And skin hydration is okay. And you have sensitive skin at the same time. And some pigmentations and wrinkles and fine lines a little bit. We have some acne shots actually, and we have like there's like acne ampoule with microneedling. I think it's much better for you.
Okay. I get that one.
Right?
But the downtime of this one is like 3 days, 1 week.
Oh,
It's fine.
No, just 1 or 2 days for the redness. It's just microneedling.
Okay.
How many days?
2 days daw.
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days. So it's better to put some like moisturizing like sheet mask before the bed. Even in the morning, it helps a lot for the like calming your face. For the tip. But let's just start from the buttocks.
Okay.
I think yours is quite big.
Botox and this.
But yeah.
This
Okay.
part is okay.
Ay, gaganda ka dyan agad.
Right? You
Yeah.
can see this is
Agad yan.
like ground.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
immediate effect, you know. Extract mo na sila.
Okay guys, so we're gonna have Potenza, acne treatment, and Botox. We're gonna go downstairs for our treatment. Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, eto na, treatment na. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Unfortunately guys, it's not allowed to take a video or to film during the procedure. What is it?
Cholesterol.
Okay. We're done, guys. Still nampa din ang aking mukha. Okay, so I'm done. And we're done, guys. Done with our science project. Nagpa-botox tayo sa forehead, sa nose, and sa jaw. And then Potenza anti-acne. As you can see, ang dami kong acne. Yan, lalo na dyan sa baba ng baba ko. And we're done!
Bye-bye, Korea.
Okay, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!